friends, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach a child counting in a fun way using short beat stairs. Before starting the concept, make sure the child can recognize numbers 1 to 10. Also, he can associate the quantity to the symbol. For this, refer my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make counting a funful activity for a child. These activities help the child to learn to associate the quantity 1 through 10 with their numerals. For teaching the concept, you need a short bead stair. It is a set of 9 different bead bars ranging in length from 1 to 9 beads. It takes very little effort to make them at home. To know how to make them, please refer to my video how to make 10 bars, 100 square and short bead stair. You can find the link in the description box. Let's see how we can teach counting in a fun way. We will do it in 3 steps. The first step, building the stair. Second step, associate number with quantity. Third step, reinforce the concept by playing a game. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the steps continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. In this step, the child builds a stair using 9 different bead bars ranging in length from 1 to 9 beads. This activity reinforces the quantities 1 to 9 in a fun way. Hello Ayans.
Hello.
Today we are going to build a bead stairs using bead bars. It will look like a triangle. Okay? I have some bead bars. Now I am looking for the shortest bar. Here it is. We keep it here. Now I am looking for the shortest one. This one. We keep it here. Can you continue, Ayaz?
Yes.
I'm looking for the shortest. Good. Now next shortest. Good job. Very good. Now the next shortest. I'm looking for the next shortest. Good. I'm looking for the next shortest, Ayaz. Here, like this. Now I'm looking for the next shortest. Good job. Now the last one. Very good. You have built a bead stairs. It looks like a triangle. What is the shape, Ayaz?
Triangle.
Good job, Ayaz. High five. When the stair is complete, do not forget to show the triangle shape made by the stair to the child. The child's visual memory may help him to self-correct if he made mistake while building the stairs. Repeat this step again and again until the child gets the concept. This activity helps the child to learn to associate the quantity 1 through 9 with their numerals. Ayash, I have some bead bars. Can you build a bead stairs for me with these bead bars?
Yes.
Okay. Ayash, please build bead stairs for me. Yes? Please check. I think there is some mistake. Can you correct it? Good job. Now, one by one. Good job. You have made a bead stairs. Now I have some number card here. I'll keep it here. Okay. Let's count. 1. This is 1. I will keep this one here. Now I'm looking for the 1. Good job. Can you keep it here? Good job. Now we count 1, 2. This is 2. Good. Please keep it here. Now I'm looking for 2. Good job. Now can you count this one? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. This is 3. Good job. Now can you count this one? Can you count this last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Good job, Ayaz. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 9. Good. This is 9. This is 9. Good job, Ayaz. High five. Repeat this step again and again until the child gets the concept. Playful learning experience make the child remember the concept for a longer time. So, be creative while reinforcing the concept. Ayash, today we are going to play a game. Do you want to play a game with me? Yes. Okay, let's start. I have some bead bars. We take it out. With these bead bars, I'm going to make a jiggly wiggly snake. Okay? For this, I am looking for the shortest one. This one. Now the next shortest one. This one. Now the next shortest one. This one. Ayan, do you want to complete this snake? Yes. Now look for the next shortest one. Good. Now the next shortest one. Good. You have built a wiggly wiggly snake. Now close your eyes. Hmm. I have removed one big bar. Can you tell me which one?
7.
Very good. I have taken 7 1. Now close your eyes. No cheating. No. I have removed. Open your eyes. I have removed one bead bar. Which one?
4. 5.
Which one?
5.
Yes. 5. Good job, Ayansh. Continue playing till the child shows interest. Play the game multiple times until the child gets the concept. With this step by step approach, a child learns to count and associate numbers with quantity. It prepares the child towards counting higher numbers later. It also develops the muscular memory of a child. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. For more informative videos, blogs, and customized expert support for your child, please visit my website boostyourbrain.com.